as soon as Ron's ready, we'll start with that. These all 3-inch shells. So there's your standard muzzle brake. We cheated and just waited. Misfire next.
Okay, you ready, Bob? Here you go.
So there we go. We lit it. Quick match goes down, but nothing came out. So now we've got a misfire. We've got a shell in the gun. That's when we should be a delay. There it goes. Nothing happened, and now it went off. Short hand fire. You can have anything from
Rack, salute, and buried.
Let's do the one in the racks first. We're going to do salute in the rack.
Ready, Bob? Yep. Here you go. There went that rack.
Now we're going to do the same thing. You got salute going in a gun that's actually buried.
Ready?
It'll be a little left of that one, edge of the field, I think.
Yeah.